Hello everyone, my name is Kaloni, the beauty guru, licensed master cosmetologist and makeup artist. Today I have my client with me and she's going to get a full Guru Glam. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. So first we're going to start off with a face primer. Today I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer because my client does have dry skin. So we want to make sure her makeup looks flawlessly and not dry and patchy. Next, I'm going to be using the Soft Black in the L.A Girl Pro Brow Pomade to fill in her brows. So after we finish filling in the brows, I'm going to go in with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And this is just to, of course, clean up the eyebrows. I promise y'all this is my favorite concealer. I use it for everything. So go get you some. You can find it in your local hair store. So sadly, y'all, my video did unfocus on me. So as of right now, I'm just going to explain to you what I'm doing until my video gets back into focus. So right now I have my concealer brush and I'm carving out her eyebrows with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer. And what I mean by carving, I mean I'm cleaning up any mistakes I made while I was filling in her brows. Hi guys, so next I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 322. And I know y'all are wondering why I skipped over the whole eyeshadow process. My video was unfocused way longer than I thought it was, so my apologies for that. But I will let you know what palette I used. I used the James Charles palette to do her eyes. And I only used that palette, guys. So her whole eye look is from the James Charles palette. So guys, next for her under eye highlight, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW05. So to set her highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. I'm just going to put that all under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, and the forehead, and the chin. So to put some definition back into her face and chisel those cheeks, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is the light medium palette. So after we contoured, I'm gonna go in and dust away all of that leftover setting powder that I used to set her under eye concealer. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer powder in the shade 02 Medium to bronze her face. So guys, I'm going to be using some lashes from one of our locals here in Albany, and her name is Jamaria Cockfield, and her brand is the Minky Way. So yes guys, this is the finished look. For her lips, I did use the Suede lip liner by NYX called Club Hopper, and for her lipstick I used the NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Canis. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope to see you next time. Signing off, this is The Beauty Guru. See you next time.